Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. And real quick, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload my new videos. So today I will be reviewing a lot of wigs in different colors, but for now I'm doing something from Sis Sister Wig. Is a part of the Beyond Your Imagination collection, and I got this wig from GoBeautyNY.com. I actually purchased a lot of them, so yeah, I got a lot to do today. But this one, come on, okay, that's the stock card. This one is BYD TP Lace H Bestie. And I have her in the color Sombre RT Ash Nut. And this is pretty much how she comes. Sorry if you're hearing any noise in the background, it's my kids. So, let me take her out the pack. Gotta move all of this. So yeah, stock card. Trying to stop this freaking light. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can probably see it better now. Oh my Lord Jesus. Okay. And here's the back. So pretty much it's a three-way part, a 6-inch center, and 2 extreme sides. They do have washing and care instruction right here on the stock card, but pretty much this is how she comes. The lace, what is this, Swiss lace? It feels a little harder than Swiss lace. What type of lace is this? Anyway, I guess it's Swiss lace, but I felt lace that's a bit softer than this. But it has 2 combs right here in the front, 1 right here in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and here's the parting. It do come with baby hair, and I'm about to put it on so I can give you guys the rest of the information on this unit. Let me take these off. This is pretty much how it comes. So let me put this on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, and we're back. This is pretty much how she looks when I threw her on. The only thing that I did was cut the lace front that was from ear to ear and threw her on. This is pretty much how she looks. There's a wig that's similar to this one. Is the Blast unit. So this is the Bestie, and yeah, this is Bestie, and then the other one is Blast. I have a video on Blast where I had to put in work. I feel like with this one too, I'm gonna put in work because I'm not gonna lie, I don't like these pigtails. I don't like these pigtails at all. So, and this color is gorgeous. This color is gorgeous. This is the Sombre RT Ash Nut. Once again, I think it's gorgeous. The cap size, I feel like it's definitely like that one size fit all. It's going to fit someone with a small head, and it's definitely going to fit someone with a larger head because I'm on the larger side. The length, though, I feel like stretched out is more like 24 inches, but curled up is closer to like 22. You know, between that 18, 22 range because it is layered. You can definitely tell that it's layered. But I like it. There's nothing wrong with it being layered at all. I'm going to fix this, so I'm just trying to give y'all the information out the box. But I'm going to, you know, put my own little spin on it. But before I do that, I just want to give y'all the information. Here's the baby hairs. I don't think it's too long because I've definitely seen worse, but I can definitely cut those. And I don't feel like they too thick or nothing, so I'm gonna work with it. Y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do with it. But pretty much this is what you're gonna get right out the box. It do have dark roots. Here's the parting space. Goodness gracious. Oh my god, these baby hairs is getting in my eyes. Oh my god, it's blinding me. Where the hell is it at? My goodness. So far, I didn't get any type of shedding. As far as tangling goes, I didn't get any tangles yet, but I do get snags, and I think that's definitely because of the curls that it come with. But like I said, I'm going to work my magic, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly the result that I get once I style it to something I can, you know, walk outside the house with. So I'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. So pretty much what I did was unravel the French braids. I plucked the little pieces out the part. And I did add some pressed powder to the parting space. But I don't think I had to pluck a lot. I really didn't. It was just a few strands in the way. And so while I did brush out the curls, I did get more tangled to it. I didn't get shedding, but I did get tangled. So just keep in mind when it comes down to this wig that when you brush out those curls, it's going to get bigger, and it's going to tangle when you brush out those curls. So when it comes down to this unit, I'm sorry, that's my daughter in the background. So when it comes down to this unit, I definitely give it a thumbs up. I like it. I feel like the other unit, what is it, Blast, it's better than this one, but this is a good unit. It might look better on the side. Let me see. Ooh, Jesus. Child. Ow. Well, I like her way more on the side, actually. Ooh. What y'all think? So. Go ahead and tell me what you think. Here's the parting area. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And check out the description so that you can see a direct link to where you can purchase this unit. And that's it, y'all. Yeah, that's the newborn baby. She's full of it. So don't forget to share and check out more of my other units. Thank you so much for tuning in.